Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the pressure difference in the swimming pool that is 2.5 meters deep. Okay, so this is the final multi-choice question for this chapter. Alright, so the answer is 24.5 kPa. The code is in the pinned comment for you to check. But basically, we just use pressure is equal to rho GH, and then we just have the height difference. So pressure is equal to density multiplied by gravity multiplied by the change in height, and that will give you your pressure. So here's the code to calculate the pressure. Here's some common mistakes. Okay, so before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, type in snipping tool in your Windows search. Once you have the program open, click on video option, click on new, then left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button on your snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Then hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.